welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1x18 diecast model of Infiniti Q60. Okay guys, so this is the model itself, Infiniti Q60. So if you want to buy it, I'll put the link in the description. The color is looking amazing on this model. So let's get started with the details. So if you are not already subscribed to the channel for more videos like this, and let's get started. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed the video. If you are not already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and follow me on Instagram for daily updates. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.